Hi, everybody. I'm Gretchen from Children's Museum Houston. Welcome back to another episode of Tot Tunes, sponsored by the Hamill Foundation. Did you guys know that I grew up on a farm? I certainly did. One of the favorite things about my childhood was getting to be around all kinds of fun animals like horses and chickens and ducks, all that good stuff. Well, Jacob has written a song about a farm, and we're going to share that with you right now. So this one goes out to all of our visitors who love animals or who live on a farm too. Enjoy.
On the farm, on the farm, on the farm, the cow makes some milk on the farm. The farmer takes the milk away and saves it for another day. On the farm, 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 on the farm. The chicken lays some eggs on the farm. The farmer takes the eggs away and saves them for another day. On the farm, 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 on the farm. The sheep grow some wool on the farm. The farmer takes some wool away and wears it on another day. On the farm, 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 on the farm. The pig grows tomatoes on the farm. The farmer takes the tomatoes away and saves them for another day. On the farm, 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 on the farm. The puppy has some puppies on the farm.
Thanks for joining us for this episode of Tot Tunes, sponsored by the Hamill Foundation. This has been Jacob and Gretchen, and we'll see you next time. Bye.